This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths in a gated community, large screened-in patio with beautiful lake views, split floor plan, new updated kitchen. All laminated wood floors. Walk-in closet. Washer/dryer, quick approval. Rent incorporated water, sewer and trash removal. Community offers beautiful grounds, tropical landscape and lakes, clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, hot tub, sauna and BBQ/picnic area. For more information, review the details below.